In this video, I will show you how to find a repost button on your TikTok app. First of all, after you open up your TikTok, all you have to do now, go and search for the video that you want to repost. So for me, let's say I want to repost this video. Let's say I want to repost this one. If you want to repost a video, all you have to do now, after you come to the video that you want to repost and you can't find the repost button, all you have to do now, tap on this share button. As you can see, this share button, tap on it. After you tap on this share button, as you can see now, here is the repost button. This yellow icon, this first yellow icon is the repost button. But if you did not see the repost button in this section, you may just scroll to left. As you can see now, you may find it at the bottom or at the end of this section. So now here is my own. Tap on it. So as you can see now, I reposted this video. As you can see now, if you want to see the video that you reposted, all you have to do now, open up your profile like this. After you open up your profile, as you can see now, tap on this. As you can see now, this middle section, this arrow. After you open up this middle section, as you can see now, here is the video that I just now reposted. Now here is the video. But if you just follow these two steps, you can't find or you can't see the repost button. All you have to do now, go and update your TikTok app. Go to your Play Store or App Store and update your TikTok app. After you update your TikTok app, now come to the section, come to your TikTok app and tap on this. As you can see now, tap on this arrow again. After you tap on the arrow, now you can be able to find the repost button on your TikTok app. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.